What's up? This is Alaric Ong, and today I'm here with Brett Smith. And Brett Smith is a sales funnel expert, and he has been designing sales funnels for clients and a lot of stuff, right? And the reason why I invited him because I wanted to pick his brain and learn as much as I can about sales funnels from him. So, Brett, maybe you can give a little bit more background about yourself so that, the audience has some context about who you are.
Hey, yeah, thanks for having me. I appreciate it. I'm excited to share this with you. We're seeing some really cool results. So I've checked out yours. Sales funnels are working really well right now, especially if you do them right. We had the #1 website on Google 6 or 7 years ago, and that's why we got into this business. I built automation links just to help business owners and entrepreneurs get more clients online by creating systems, automations, and sales funnels. Pretty cool stuff. So I'm excited to dive into it here.
I see. So what kind of clients do you normally work with?
So we work with business owners and entrepreneurs that feel like they're lost, feel like there's just so much software out there, so much marketing. They just don't have a system in place. So we work with somebody that does not have any systems in place, somebody that maybe feels lost online, doesn't know how to do it themselves or doesn't want to learn how to do it themselves. So we dive in and we just do a done for you, all in one service to get that thing live. You keep focusing on yourself and your business, and we'll focus on the online system for you.
I see. Okay. And so maybe you give a bit of context, like what is a sales funnel or what's the difference between a website and a sales funnel?
So usually a website is just full of information. It's a bunch of pages that are all about you and all about yourself. So we can actually turn your website into a sales funnel. And really, the simplest way to explain it is sales funnel makes it about your clients and their pain points instead of making it all about yourself. So if I came to your website and I just saw all your information, that's just too much for me to handle at first. I don't really care about you. I just want success. So a sales funnel will make it all about me as your customer, make it all about their pain points, and make it show them that you're the expert and the person to hire. So the results, which we'll probably talk about, are pretty outstanding.
I see. So I'm a speaker myself. So how can a sales funnel, like how can your services add value to my own business?
Yeah, so we go in, we see what's broken, and we see what needs to be fixed. And once we make it about your customer and not about you, the conversion rates skyrocket. So the average website gets a 1% sign-up rate. So think about that. Only a 1%, sometimes even a lot less. So if you have a website, you probably are feeling that now. Hey, nobody's signed up in the last month. Or maybe only had one sign-up. But as soon as we switch that to the sales funnel, you see a 7 to 15% increase in conversions.
Wow. Okay, that's cool.
Yeah.
And so what can people expect from having a sales funnel? And can everyone use a sales funnel or what?
Yeah, I mean, so this is a good example I like to say. What if Amazon started doing marketing before they had their shopping cart in place? People would go to Amazon and try to buy, but there would be no shopping cart, nothing for them to buy. So imagine that's probably what's happening in your business. You probably have interested prospects, interested clients, but they can't just go and purchase or sign up for your service. So what you can expect is to get instant leads. Every customer we work with gets more leads the first month after we go live because they actually have that system in place to capture them and make those sales.
I see. So maybe can you share some success stories that you have with certain clients, etc.?
Yeah, we work with this one e-commerce business. They were doing pretty good. 40,000 a month they were making, right? But they were getting one-time purchases. And I said, well, what about the people that could come back and do a second purchase, a third purchase, refer a friend, get a review? So in just 6 months, they went from 40,000 a month to 160,000 a month.
Wow,
just by adding email.
Just by adding email.
Yep.
Amazing.
So that's one little tweak, making about the customers, communicating, building relationships through email, increased by that much.
I see. So how can they, how can anyone contact you if they're interested in your services?
Yeah, so I'll give you a link, a special link where I'm going to give you guys a free download so you can actually see what a sales funnel does, how it can benefit you. Go ahead and grab that. Our website is automationlinks.com, and we have hundreds of reviews, a lot of great clients. But the biggest thing is watch the video after. I'm going to break down the entire blueprint, the process, where you get your traffic, what the sales page actually looks like, the design part of it. And then the coolest part is what happens after. The emails, the text, the Facebook Messenger. I'll lay that all out in a blueprint for you guys to check out.
I see. Wow, that's interesting. All right, man. Thank you.
Well, thanks for having me. I appreciate it.
Thank you. All right. You have a good day.